Hi everyone, my name is Jaire.
And I'm Victor. Hi, I am Wenyang.
And this is Slic, the solar liquid for integrated communities. Let me start with a question. Do you believe that water is a basic human right? I believe it is. And that is why we have Slic. With Slic, we aim to satisfy 5 different SDGs. The third one, good health and well-being. The sixth one, clean water and sanitation. The seventh, clean and affordable renewable energy. The ninth, innovation in innovators. And lastly, the 11th, sustainable cities and communities. Now my partners Victor and Wenyang will now explain how it aligns to our project.
So, why do you wanted to choose our unit, Slic? It's very simple. Come over. So in Slic, we provide the innovation, industry, and infrastructure. So what do? We are using the industry controlling unit for the compressor. We have new technology which you can scroll over and look at your battery information, your water clarity, your temperature, your water purity, and you have access to emergency system. When your relays or any of your automation system doesn't work, you can manually trigger these 5 buttons, which resembles your hot water motor, hot water pump, cold water pump, main filtering pump, your UV module, and your compressor. So let's bring it in and let me show you what are these systems is all about. So right here we have the float relay, which controls the main filtering pump and the solenoid valve. If the water tank is reaching the attainable level already, it will cut off the solenoid valve so that it won't overflow and make the whole unit splash with water. And then here we have the turbidity sensor to measure your clarity of the water. How much NTU do you have in the water? Then inside here we have the temperature sensor and the TDS meter to monitor your temperature and how much ppm parts per million in your water. So we have also a solar controller to charge your battery, and the whole system is under clean and affordable energy, which we are using a 12-volt battery, which is all across your cars and vehicles. Thank you very much.
Okay, so you might be wondering how the Slic works. Alright, so let's say you have dirty water, pour it into this reservoir, and it's filtered by this mesh. This mesh is removable and it can be easily cleaned. So this will remove all the leaves, rocks, all big particles. Now place it back. Now, once you have dirty water in the system, let me show you where the real magic works. Okay, so dirty water will be stored in this tank, and it will then be pumped into these 3 filters. And after these 3 filters, additionally we have a UV filter to make sure that any excess organisms or bacteria will be killed. And once you have clean water, it will then be pumped into these 2 clean water reservoirs. We have hot and we have cold, and these clean water tanks will be powered by this compressor right here. And all the electrical systems in this system would be powered by this 12-volt battery. Now once you have clean water, it will then be dispensed all the way up to these 2 outlets right here. So we have a cold tank and we have a hot tap. Okay, now for ones that needs more capacity, you can hook this up to an external water supply.
With Slic, we believe we can achieve all 5 of our SDG goals. See you soon.